earth glorifies Allah. We commence this presentation by invoking His greatest name, seeking blessings and guidance. With modesty and gratitude, let's embark on a journey of knowledge and exploration, recognizing the divine wisdom that illuminates our path. First up is the ambition, like a strong and happy song. It sparks excitement and keeps us moving along.
Then comes diligence, like a steady, strong beat. It is a heartbeat of hard work, making success sweet.
Vigilance. Vigilance is a nest, like a stone. Your wave consists of time. It helps us foster and achieve.
Kindness is another new friend, a sweet, friendly sound, adding compassion, making success go round. Together we play this Quintet sublime, harmonizing success one note at a time. We are the Quintet Fortune. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. And you have said that I am overcome.
Don't rush the process. Good things take time. I am Abdul Qayyum from Zimbabwe.
Embrace the challenges, for they are stepping stones to your success. Ni hao, I am Nubaha Javed.
The future belongs to those who believe in the duty of their dreams. Those are the accomplishments of the mind.
Believe in yourself, your potential is greater than you imagine. Marhaba, this is Sukkur IBA. Its genre is realistic fiction. It was published in 1838. The author used an orphan named Oliver Twist as a main character. This novel is written by a great author, Charles Dickens.
Let's move to introduction to the author. The author Charles Dickens was a British author and an influential author in English literature. He wrote many exciting stories with interesting characters. He always tried to help people throughout his writing. He was known for his kindness and sense of humor. His literary masterpieces include Oliver Twist, Great Expedition, and A Tale of Two Cities.
Let's move on to the characters. Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is the protagonist character in this novel, which is portrayed as innocent, kind, and adventurous orphan. Despite facing adversity, Oliver maintains his purity. His character serves as a symbol of resilience in the face of harsh Victorian society.
Mr. Bumble was employed at the workshop to give food and take care of the orphans and orphans. But he frequently exhibits cruelty towards them.
The third character, Jack Robbins, better known as the Artful Dodger in the novel Oliver Twist. The Dodger is a pickpocket character, and his nickname refers to his skills. He is the leader of a gang of child criminals on the streets of London, trained by the elderly Perry.
The fourth character is Fagin. Fagin is the secondary antagonist of the novel. He is an old man who profits to young orphans to pickpocket. He is utterly pure and handsome character.
Mr. Brownlow is the fifth character of this novel. Mr. Brownlow in Oliver Twist is a compassionate and benevolent character, a symbol of innate goodness in Victorian society's darkness. A person of means, his generosity shines as it is in the orphan Oliver, provided not just the shelter, but a fatherly figure. Mr. Brownlow's actions significantly contribute novel's theme of justice and connection to human nature. Bill Sykes. Bill Sykes is a key antagonist character in this novel, which is violent and ruthless criminal associated with Fagin's gang. His brutal treatment towards Nancy, and the character in this novel, reflects his dark and melodious nature.
Nancy is a thief too, but she loves Bill Sykes, even though he is wicked. But on the other hand, Nancy holds compassionate and kind heart towards Oliver Twist, always trying to help the little orphan.
Monks. Edward Monks is a character in the novel. Monks is a dark, sinister figure who lurks menacingly in the background of the novel. He is actually the criminally inclined half-brother of Oliver Twist.
So on the themes of the novel, poverty is the main burden in the whole novel, Oliver Twist. Poverty was the main reason Oliver Twist and other orphans were brought to education and other survival goals. Poverty is the main reason. Characters like patience and gang members were driven into the life of crime and their desperation to escape poverty, but they are ending up in jail. Even though MC, which was kind-hearted to Oliver Twist, but filling the blank by with science.
In the novelette Oliver Twist, there are many underlying themes. The battle of good and evil is one of the prominent ones. Oliver constantly caught between good and evil. Although these books broke many trains and is tasted constantly, he fights from the evil and remains one of the most kind and innocent boys. Both good and evil shape him throughout the novel.
Theme of social injustice in Oliver Twist revolves around the impact of societal pressure on individuals. Particularly the protagonist Oliver can explore how poverty, classes and argument of poor separates us. Yet he is highlighting the struggle of justice and compassion in a rigid social hierarchy.
Certainly, crime is a prevalent theme in this novel, which delves into the underworld of crime in Victorian London, shedding light on issues such as theft, exploitation of children, and the harsh conditions that lead individuals into the life of crime. Fagin's gang of child thieves and the notorious character Bill Sykes serve as vivid representation of criminal elements within the society. The fifth theme of this novel is moral and ethical dilemmas. Oliver Twist delves into the morality and ethical challenges of a society, reflecting its vulnerable members, highlighting the poor. The novel explores the theme of justice, injustice, and poverty. Summary. Charles Dickens is a novelette written by Oliver Twist is a novelette written by Charles Dickens which follows the life of an orphan who was born in the workhouse. After enduring hardships and mistreatment, Oliver escapes to London where he becomes entangled with criminal juvenile laid by cunning Fagin. This novelette explores the theme of poverty, social injustice, and contrasts Oliver's nature with the corruption around him. As the plot unfolds, Oliver's true identity and connection to affluent characters are revealed, leading to a series of dramatic events that bring social injustice and redemption. Dickens vividly depicts 19th century as a Victorian society, critiquing societal issues such as workhouse system and treatment towards orphans. Oliver Twist remains a timeless classic, highlighting the ethical repercussions of a society neglecting its vulnerable members. Please, sir, I want some more. Oliver Twist said.
In a world of hardship, his fate was laid.
From workhouse to London's gritty street,
A tale of survival, hardship to me.
through trials and tribulations, he did strive. In Dickens' world is his story alive. Fingers Made by Sarah Waters is a novel set in Victorian England, contains reference to the Oliver Twist, which explores the theme of deception and poverty. Jasper Jones by Craig Silvey. This Australian novel draws parallel to Oliver Twist. In its portrayal, a young boy facing hardships in a complex world of secrets and social injustice.
Let's move over to take on life. Addressing the societal challenges such as poverty, struggle of orphans, today contemporary many often face similar issues, including access to education, healthcare, and the need for a supportive environment. Societal challenges present emphasizing the importance of addressing systemic issues to improve the well-being of vulnerable population.
Child labor. Child labor is one of the prominent themes of the life narrations in the Oliver Twist. The characterization of Oliver Twist and other orphans were being exploited by workhouse and factories that reflect the harsh realities of the whole novel Oliver Twist. And right now we see the big factories and big countries where factories and orphans, but there is a labor and they are beaten up by their owners.
Life learning lessons. Number 1. Keep going when things are hard. Oliver teaches us that it's mandatory to stay strong and not to give up when facing tough times. Stand against unfairness. We should always stand against unfairness, no matter how hard the situation is, just as Nancy stood against it. Epilogue. In the epilogue of the novelette Oliver Twist, the characters find resolutions to their stories. Oliver discovered his true identity, and many other characters face the consequences of their actions. The tale comes happily, and the novelette ends with a sense of closure. In the realm of success, we stand tall.
Together we rise, never to fall.
With passion ablaze, we conquer all.
Unified in purpose, answering the call.
Five voices strong, breaking every wall. Thank
Thank
you.
you.